Hello, welcome to More Sound. Today we are reviewing the Relaxor AM FM clock radio with nature sounds and remote control. The model number is 722. First thing we're going to test is the aux input. It also has different volume levels for the left and right channels. I'm not sure if you can hear the difference. I don't have an AM station yet. I will soon. Next up, we're going to test out the alarm clock. Next thing we're going to try is the nature sounds. I'm just going to cycle through a couple of these. You can mix them. That's the end of our review for the Relaxor AM FM Nature Sounds clock radio. Thank you for watching this More Sound video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Check out our stores by scanning the QR codes on your screen or clicking the links in the description.